somebody that knows Fiat's is going to watch this and go, what are you doing? There's a tool for that.
Is there though? I don't think there is.
And how far does that one have to go in?
I don't know. Or maybe they're supposed to be adjustable. Jaeger,
Newton,
in the shop manual, did it say anything about adjusting the rear calipers
let me check.
after overhaul?
Since there's no cell phone service, we can't actually Google anything here, so we just send Jaeger to the shop manual.
Pretty much.
Jaeger searching through the shop manual is probably more accurate than Google.
What?
Do not attempt to remove the special knot.
Not something I want to hear coming from across the garage.
What special nut?
I don't know. It says do not attempt to remove the special nut and its associated parts from inside the piston. You will certainly damage the spun-in disc, which retains the nut in position, and Fiat does not supply the individual parts.
I definitely did that.